So here we have the Mini Countryman on a 61 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside its boot space. First, as we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, the twin tailpipes that are unique to the Coupe S variant of this car. Plenty of boot space as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. We have the rev counter, the digital readout for the speedometer, the total miles of the car, they are 79,190. You can change information displayed above that for various bits of trip computer and fuel economy information, all by pressing the button on the end of the indicator stalk just there. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the right hand side we have cruise control, on the left hand side we have our stereo and phone controls. In order that you use the phone, you need to pair it up over here. First of all, though, you'll see the full speedometer, the fuel gauge, and then if we move a bit closer, we are on the phone pairing menu at the moment. You can either get to there by hitting the phone button, or menu, and then you can use this dial to select telephone, or you can press the button beneath the thing that you want to enter. So we have a trip computer. You can configure things like the time, temperature, for example. You can change from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Mode is where you will find your AM, FM radio, your DAB radio, your CD player, auxiliary input, and USB input. So loads of ways of listening to music, and you can make adjustments to your music settings. As you can see just there, volume for your stereo is here. Working our way down, we have the CD player. We then have the climate control. So you can adjust the passenger, or the temperature in the car, I should say, for both passenger and driver. You can change the direction you'd like the air distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the moment, so that turns it off, back on again. Or you could hit auto. The car will now take full control of the fan speed and direction of the air to maintain the temperature that you've asked for, and you can turn it off whenever you wish to. On a particularly hot day, if you hop in the car and press max, as you can hear and see, the car will cool you down as quickly as it possibly can. We have a heated passenger seat with 3 different heat settings. Same for your driver's side just here. Front driver's side electric window, rear driver's side, rear passenger side, and front passenger side. You can lock and unlock the car doors from here as well. Front and rear fog lights. You can stop the rear windows being operated by rear passengers, for children for example. You can put the car in sport mode. We can turn off the stop and start and the traction control for the car. We have a 12-volt charging socket, 2 cup holders, the gear lever for your 6-speed manual gearbox, and then our auxiliary and USB inputs. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at 7daysonly.co.uk. We'd love to hear from you.